This is GoForIt, and today I bring you the unboxing and the setup of my new machine for the workshop. This machine will turn some things around. Stay tuned. Hi, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy this kind of content, and if you do, please consider to subscribe and activate the notifications. This is my new addition to the shop. It's a lathe, a PowerED PBL400, and with this guy I will be able to produce some good stuff for the MX-5 and for all the other cars. So it arrives in this wood box. I have already took the cover just to check if everything was here, and as you can see, with this lathe it comes the instructions and also a small toolbox with a lot of stuff inside. We will see in a moment what comes there. This one comes with a tray to put it on the table, and the lathe itself. Right now I will disassemble the rest of the box, and then we will take it and we will put it there on the final place. Now that the box is all disassembled, let's just take the plastic cover and see what we have. Oh, they sent also some lubricant. Okay. So this is the lathe. It comes almost all assembled, and it is covered in this wax, this storage wax that we will need to clean. Right now I will use my engine hoist to pick it and to take it there. Here it is, guys. At the end I decided not to pick it with the engine hoist, and I just grab it by hand and put it here. It's a bit heavy, but I could grab it and put it here. It was way simpler than to be passing straps and all that. Well, whatever. So now, before I test it and turn it on, I want to just clean all this transport wax and make sure that all the safety bolts are off and the machine is ready to operate. Let's now take a quick look of what we get inside of the box. So we have a lubrication container, we have a new set of gears, we have three new parts to hold the stuff. We got the key, the fixed point. It comes with two. This one is thinner than this one. I don't know where this one goes. I have to see. And then we have a bunch of tools. Just some 14, 17. I believe that it is something necessary for the lot itself. The key to tighten the bits, some Allen keys, screwdriver, another one flat, one Phillips, then this key that it should be used to tighten some specific thing there. I don't know exactly what at the moment. Then we have a 10-12 and a 6-7, and also some accessories that at the moment I also don't know what they are used for, but for sure they are needed for something in the operation. So now that we know what we have here, let's start to disassemble the machine, to clean it and to to get it ready to test. Well, I disassembled everything, so I think I will do it properly. I will take these 6 or 7 bolts, take the back protection to slide this off and clean it properly, and then I can lube it inside. To mount the clamps, you need to pay attention that the clamps, they have a number. Let's see if I can focus here. See, this is the one, and then here inside you have the number 1 also. So you put it there in the position you want, and you start to tighten it. No, I am putting them on reverse. I think that the cleaning process is ready. So now, because I sprayed everything with the brake cleaner, I will give it a bath with the just WD-40, just to prevent that we don't have any rust formation. And then we'll start to add some lubrication here on the lubrication points. Let's now apply some oil on these points. So we just press it. You see the oil appearing on the bottom? It means that we are applying lubrication on the right point. Before I connect it to the electricity and try it, let's take a look inside so you guys can have a look of what is here. We take these two nuts, and in here you can see the hole where you can put the piece. If it is a long and thin piece, you can put it through this window. Now if we take this cover off, in here we have the gears, the A, B and C, where you can make these adjustments in order to open the threads. We have millimeter and imperial. So the metric, it's the one I will use more. It goes from 0.3 to 3. So very big threads we can open with this machine. In here we have also the belt assembly that allows us to select between two speeds. We have the variable speed here, with the potentiometer, and depending if we are on the first position or in the second one, with this belt here, we'll be able to vary from 0 to 1250 or 0 and 2500. Okay? I will leave it on the spindle A until 1250. That it is the one that we have now. So let's connect it to the electricity. Release the safety button. On. Okay. Now, as soon as we press this button, it's ready to start. If we improve this, nothing happens because we need to select if we go forward or reverse. Okay, so I will put it on the R position and I will start to increase. And nothing happens because we have the safety cover open. So this needs to be down, and now we are able to turn it on, and now it shows us that it is on 0 RPM. Let's now start to increase the RPMs and see what happens. And there it goes. It's now going on reverse. To stop it, we can simply put it in 0 and it stops. We can put it on 0 here and it's off. And also, of course, we can hit the emergency button or press stop. So, in fact, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ways to stop our machine. Now that you can move it, let's test if the assembly moves back and forward. Now I am going forward, so it will rotate on the normal cutting direction, and I will put it here like in 1000 RPM, more or less, and let's see if it is moving. Right now, the cart is stopped, but as soon as I engage it, you will see that he will start to travel by himself. Just engage it here, and it is now traveling, controlled by our engine. To stop that movement, we can simply disengage it, and it is now stopped again. Our machine is able to push automatically forward and reverse. So now we'll put it on reverse, turn it on, give it some speed, and if I engage it now, you will see that the car will go to that side. There it goes. I'm really happy with my new addition to the workshop. I will be able to machine a lot of stuff. Right now I will start to machine new bushings for the suspension on the MX-5. After, I will have to machine again bushings to the Porsche 928, and I will be able to do a lot of different parts. This was the video for today. I really hope you enjoy it. I really hope you liked my new machine. We will have some more videos in the next weeks because I will learn to work with it. And as usual, subscribe to the channel, share the video, like it, and I see you on the next one.